I want to say to you, do you want me to make the black cake, the Jamaican rum fruit cake, the black one? I did a video a couple weeks ago talking about the black cake, but I didn't get a lot of comments on it saying, you know what I mean, do you want me to? Because I have a recipe which I'd like to share it with my fans, and I'm always doing my black cake every year. So I have some fruits even start soak already. So what would I say? Do you want me to make the cake? You know what I mean? Please leave a comments below and also give me a like. And I'd like to know, you know what happened? I want to know, do you want me to make the Jamaican black rum fruit cake? We did the sorrel drinks a couple of weeks ago. We have another video coming up for this with the sorrel again. That's gonna be the part 2. You know what I mean? And so we wanna know if you want me to, guys, for me to make the black rum fruit cake. Please leave your comments below. You have to write your comments, guys. Without the comments and I read it, then I will know what to do. So thank you so much for watching my video and sharing the video and telling a friend and a friend tell a friend. It's just amazing. So I'd like to kick on with the Jamaican black rum fruit cake. Please tell me, do you want me to make it? And I will definitely make it. So guys, remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Don't forget, give me a like. I want 5,000 likes on this video and 2,000 comments. Alright guys, thank you so much. And also, good news. The good news that we're coming out with the new movie with Chef Ricardo. Look forward for it. Alright, thank you so much guys. You will hear it mentioned in a lot of videos, so please bear with me.